Hello, everyone, and welcome to our very first episode of Drive to Success Mastering Auto Finance. I'm John Lewis, and today we're going to unravel the complexities of auto finance. From exploring different types of lenders to understanding dealership financing and examining the impact of technology, we have a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Who's who in auto lending? Let's start with traditional banks. For instance, think of major players like Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, or Wells Fargo. These institutions often offer competitive interest rates, particularly if your FICO score is above 700. One of the biggest advantages of going through a traditional bank is reliability. These are established institutions with extensive financial services. For borrowers, this means access to potentially lower interest rates and more negotiable terms, especially if you have a good banking relationship or an excellent credit history. Many people find comfort in walking into a branch and talking face to face with a loan officer, making the process more transparent and personable. Then there are credit unions like Navy Federal or Alliant Credit Union, which might not be as well known, but often offer lower rates because they operate as not for profit institutions. Credit unions are member owned financial institutions that operate on a not for profit basis, often resulting in lower interest rates and fees compared to traditional banks. They are known for their personalized customer service and community focused approach, making them a popular choice for those seeking tailored financial products, including auto loans. Membership in credit unions are typically based on living, working, or associating with a specific community organization, allowing members to benefit from a cooperative approach to banking. Switching gears a bit, let's talk about captive lenders, those financial arms directly connected to car manufacturers. If you ever walked into a dealership and seen those enticing financing deals advertised, chances are you're looking at offers from a captive lender. For instance, consider Toyota Financial Services, Honda Financial Services, or Ford Credit. These companies often roll out some pretty tempting promotions like 0% APR for the first year to attract buyers. It's a strategic move to not only sell cars, but to lock in finance directly with the brand. Here's how it works. Say you're eyeing the latest Honda CRV. Honda Financial Services might offer you a special low APR that's not available through any other lender. This kind of financing can be a great deal, especially if you're loyal to the brand and plan to stick with it. Plus, these captive lenders sometimes offer loyalty perks like discounts on your next vehicle purchase or reduced rates on a lease buyout if you decide to keep the car at the end of the lease term. But here's the kicker. You should always compare these deals to what's available elsewhere. Captive lenders are convenient, especially when you're excited about a new car or ready to buy on the spot. However, a quick check with your bank or local credit union might reveal a better rate, even if it's just a fraction less. Over the term of your loan, that small percentage can add up to significant savings. It's all about keeping your options open and ensuring you're getting the most bang for your buck. Then we have subprime lenders. Subprime lenders specialize in providing auto loans to individuals with lower credit scores, typically below 670. These lenders assess risk differently than prime lenders and are willing to extend credit to those who may be deemed too risky by traditional banks or credit unions. This access to finance can be pivotal for buyers who need a vehicle but have less than perfect credit. Due to the high risk associated with lending to individuals with poor credit history, subprime auto loans generally come with higher interest rates compared to standard loans. It's not uncommon for subprime auto loans to have double digit interest rates, which is significantly higher um, than the total cost of owning the car over time. Additionally, these loans come with longer repayment terms, which help lower monthly terms but accrue more interest in the long run. So there's some risk and considerations to take into play when you're looking at subprime lenders. While subprime lenders provide a necessary service, there are several risk considerations that potential buyers must be aware of. First, the higher interest rates can be significantly increased over the overall financial burden of the loan. It's crucial for borrowers to calculate the total cost of the loan, including interest over time, to assess affordability. But there are some advantages of subprime loans. Despite the risk, there are clear advantages to securing financing through subprime lenders. For one, gaining access to necessary transportation when other doors are closed can be a game changer, especially for individuals who rely on a vehicle for commuting to work. Furthermore, consistently making timely payments on a subprime loan can help rebuild a borrower's credit score, potentially opening the door for more favorable financing options in the future. So here's some strategies for borrowers. If you're considering a subprime auto loan, there are strategies to mitigate some of those associated risks. Shop around to compare different subprime offers. Don't just accept the first loan you're offered. Consider making a larger down payment to reduce the loan amount and thus the total interest paid. Additionally, keep an eye on your credit score and refinance the loan if your credit improves enough to qualify for a lower interest rate. Now let's talk about decoding dealership financing. Dealership financing can sometimes feel like the path of least resistance when you're sitting in a dealership eager to get your new car. But here's a tip. Before you even step into the dealership, it's wise to get a pre-approval from an independent lender. This gives you a benchmark to compare against what the dealer offers. For example, let's say your local Honda dealer offers you a loan at 4.5% APR, but your credit union pre-approved you at 3.5%. That difference can save you hundreds, if not thousands, over the life of the loan. And in our last segment, we're going to talk about the digital revolution in auto financing. Technology has truly transformed the auto finance landscape. Online platforms like LendingTree or Bankrate allow you to compare dozens of loan offers within minutes, all without leaving your home. Then there's the rise of digital-first financial institutions like Ally Bank, which streamline the entire application and approval process online. Even more innovative platforms like Carvana not only let you finance a car online, but also pick it out and have it delivered to your door, offering you a complete end-to-end digital car buying experience. Well, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to navigating the varied landscape of auto finance. Whether you're crunching the numbers with traditional banks, exploring flexible options at credit unions, or looking to rebuild your credit by going through a subprime lender, or leveraging the latest in fintech innovations, being well informed is your best strategy. Thank you for joining me today on Drive to Success, Mastering Auto Finance. And remember to tune in next time when we delve deeper into making savvy financial choices in your car buying journey. Drive safe and finance smarter.
Rolling down the avenue to a jazzy beat, following that rhythm, life's a one-way street. Chasing dreams with passion, every mile's untold. Catching the horizon with a soulful groove. Navigating numbers, got nothing to lose. Every calculation, every deal we sway. In the realm of autos, we find our way. Drive to success, we're mastering the art. Through the lanes of finance, we set apart. Jazz and soul, where the numbers align. Make your journey smooth with wisdom divine. Hit the keys of knowledge, let the insight play. From leases to purchases, every savvy way. Revving up those engines, zeros turn to ones. In the studio of life like morning sun. Feel the soul, embrace the jazz. In the auto world, let's razzmatazz. Financial gears shifting smooth and slick. In the podcast lane, we find the tricks. Cruising through the jargon, ain't no mystery. Unlocking all the secrets in auto history. Low ones and rates, they glisten like the stars. Drive the distance,